Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Even though it's actually Saturday, but hey, you know, I gotta film in advance so I can get the videos up. So I'm making, I was gonna make spaghetti and meatballs, but I thought, you know, I was actually gonna call it meat pucks, but then I changed it to meat patties. So I'm gonna be making basically small meat patties to go on my pasta. Now, for those of you who are probably going to be typing it in as I'm speaking, yes, I'm well aware that pasta has carbs. On the weekend, I'm not as strict about the diet, but it doesn't mean I'm going to go hog wild and eat a whole, bunch of cake and stuff. I'm avoiding all sweets, but I'm still going to make certain allowances as long as I keep the amounts down and wash my portions. So let's get to it. So what I've got going is I've got mushrooms. They're going to go in the sauce. And as soon as the mushrooms are done, I'm going to put the water on, which is right here. Like, I'm literally going to move it right over. Get a big bowl out for the meat patties, which I'm going to season and then form. And then I'm going to fry them in the cast iron pan. And then make spaghetti. I don't have a device or a vessel to boil pasta in, so I'm just using the pans I have, although technically I could use the cast iron for the mushrooms, but tossing the cast iron pan can be a little bit of pain, so I'm just using support cookware. Alright, those are looking good enough. Get them into get my water on the boil. I already salted it. So, alright, so tomorrow's dinner is basically going to be the same thing as what I'm making right now. Just I'm only going to use half the meat. And then I'll just do the other half tomorrow. So I got half pound of ground beef. I thought about just making them all, but ultimately I decided to just mix it up. Alright, let's add seasoning to this. So I'm going to go with a little oregano, my meat patties. Oregano. Go with paprika. A few shakes. Also Old Bay. Just, use what you have. And garlic. If I can open it. There we go. And as a binding agent, I'm just going to throw in a little bit of traditional breadcrumbs. What? Teaspoon? Heaping teaspoon? At most. I don't need a ton of breadcrumbs in there. Alright, I'm also going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And I just took a spoon and stirred it. Now I'm going to have to wait till the pasta is in. Otherwise the meat patties will be done too quick. Alright, we got ourselves a purd boil. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but I really need to invest in some more cast iron. So, I'm going to try to get out one reasonable portion. That's might be a bit much, I think. I think it'll be okay. Let's see. Pop that in the water. Maybe I should have broke it in half. Well, as it starts to get soft, it'll fall into the water. I'm a big fan of long noodles. Come on. course, you put, there we go, you put salt in the water to keep it from sticking. And of course, you got to stir it too, so pasta 101. Come on, focus. Alright, I got my warming up my skillet. I got my pasta cooking. It's been about 5.5 minutes. Got my dessert tonight is watermelon chunks. Just look good, so pan's getting close. Alright, so I got my scooper. I'm gonna start scooping out the meatballs. Forming them into little patties. I gotta be quick when I do this. I'm gonna go clockwise. Alright. There we go. Alright. Let's flip these guys. I'll get my spatula in there. Come on. Burner might be. Yeah, burner might be. It doesn't look like it. Maybe it's the stuff I put inside. They shouldn't take that long to. These should be quick because they're small and they're thin, so. And I don't mind if they're a little red inside because I don't need them cooked all the way to well done. Check my pasta. It tastes done. Drain your pasta. Of course, I set out the smoke alarm. It's just friendly like that. Sweet. You know, and what's nice about these versus like meatballs is I don't have to sit there and roll them around. Actually, they might be done. I'll go ahead and turn the heat down. Sweet. Yeah, I'm going to call those done. Go ahead and plate up. Zoom, come on, zoom out faster. My spaghetti. on the pan. Here we go. Little meat patties. That don't look too bad. And let's see. Can you see that? Get the sauce. Get my mushroom tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce. Here we go. Okay, two things I like to do with my spaghetti is I like to put cheddar cheese on mine. It's just really good. So there. It looks like it's a lot, but well, I guess it is kind of a lot, but black pepper, and then I'm finally home with it. Parmesan cheese. Sweet. Alright, dinner is served. Try the meatball. Or the meat patty, excuse me. Oh yeah, that's real good. The patties worked out just fine. Cool. I'm gonna go eat dinner. All right. Well, empty plate. But actually, I'm really full, so. Whew. Excuse me. Yeah. So don't forget to check out the. Excuse me. Come on. Don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be linked below. Also, Shovelhead H channel and Cast Iron Cooking Wednesday channel as well. So if you want to see other videos, other cast iron cooking vids, and also other channels and whatnot, just hit the link. Let me know if it doesn't work. I'll fix it. Sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Have a good one.